A potential BlackRock Bitcoin ETF might just be the catalyst Bitcoin needs to surge to 150K USD or even higher in the upcoming 24 months. The internet is abuzz, with searches for Bitcoin ETFs hitting new peaks. The mainstream can't get enough of ETFs. Google's data shows the world is eager for the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF to debut. But take heed. There's misinformation afoot regarding the BlackRock ETF. We're here to sift through Google's actual search data and lay bare the reality for you, which might just shake your current beliefs. The deception ends now. We're here to shed light on the truth. Let's dive in. Welcome to the newcomers. I'm Yana, your guide on Satoshi's For Life, where we deal with nothing but the facts. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Now, let's cut to the chase. Speculation has been rife, with forecasts suggesting Bitcoin's price could skyrocket to 250K, 500K USD, or even $1 million. We're here to investigate these bold claims. A Bitcoin ETF is nothing new. We had this kind of news and hype before, in 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2021. You won't believe it. I'm going to show you proof. And here we have corresponding articles from that time. Do you see the similarities to today? Look at this chart. Vertical lines for Google trend peaks of the Bitcoin ETF search term. Did you know that we have 4 Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF decisions this month? Take a look. Are there any ETFs available to invest in? Yes, a future-based ETF called BTC. And how much money is in this ETF, you may ask? Did you notice that Tether was printing money lately? $1 billion last time. Take a look. You will find the wallet address below in the description. Are we all in the same boat? Because long Bitcoin and Ethereum look a bit crowded. Nearly 80% of Bitcoin addresses are in the money. That's the liquidation map of Bitcoin. Grayscale net asset values from GBTC and ETH were rising during our latest ETF euphoria, so smart money that bought GBTC on a discount and shorted Bitcoin spot is in the money. That's it, guys. Have a nice week and don't be the prey. And by the way, you will find useful links in the description.